This is how to replace the batteries in an older Apple Magic Mouse. So this mouse is probably all of 10, 15 years old. Magic Mouse. You can tell because it's sleek. Click it right here. Anyway, the battery's in the bottom, so flip it over. And you'll see this little switch here, or latch for the batteries. So turn it like that. And use your fingernail to move that. And I'm going to turn it around like this. And you want to move this thing toward the little indentation here. So let's do that. And it comes off. So the door fits in down through here. You want to put this beveled part here back into here when you're done. You kind of just fit it back in like that. So here's the batteries, and they're standard AA's. And just yank them out, just like any battery, I suppose, in a toy. And they both go in the same way. So you'll see these go in one way. They don't go in like one and then the other, juxtaposed. So take them out. Take them out. I'm doing it one hand, so forgive me. Okay, so they're out, and you can see in here how they go in. Anyway, the positive goes toward the little eye of the mouse. There's the eye of the mouse, and they just go in positive up toward the eye. So you want to match the top of the battery with the switch or the eye of the mouse. Just pop it in here on the spring, push down, and whoops, and. Ha, how's this for a video, huh? With one hand. With one hand, you can do it, because I did it, right? So you can do it with one hand, too. And yeah, there's a minus sign. See the minus sign right there? That's the minus sign. There's the plus sign. So put this one the same way. They both go the same way. The plus side is going toward the eye of the mouse. And yes, these are AA batteries, right? So no big deal. Just without making you too dizzy, put the battery back in there. They're in. Get your little back thing here and put it back on. So you want to get the eye of the mouse matching the eye of the door. Put it back in here with the tail part under the steel here, or aluminum. Whoops, and don't do that. So again, with one hand, I'm going to put it back in like that. And actually, I'm doing it backwards, so silly me. So turn it around like this, and the way you do it is turn it around like that. And we now put the eye in first, so the eye goes in first like that. And then this part goes down, and you just press on it, and it clicks in like this. That's it. So it's all in there. Make sure it's on well. And if your mouse is working, you'll see this little light here will come on when you click on the switch. Little light comes on like that. And then you want to turn the mouse over and press it, and it's good to go. So that was a laborious and one-handed way to change batteries in an Apple Magic Mouse. I hope you enjoyed it, flubs and all. Have a great day.